Hello, in this video I will show you two methods to set your universal AC remote control for any air conditioner brand. The first and easiest method is to find your AC brand in the code list. For example, mine is Hisense. Note down the codes for your air conditioner brand. You can find a video with all the codes and brands in the description below. Press the select button on the remote control and then use the up and down button to find these codes one by one. You will need to point your remote control towards your AC while finding the codes. Unfortunately, I have tried all the codes for my Hisense air conditioner, but the air conditioner did not turn on. So I have to use the second method to set the remote control. The second method is to press and hold the select button for 3 seconds. This will start an auto search and the code will automatically increase one by one. Keep pointing the remote control towards the AC until the AC turns on. Once the AC turns on, press OK to confirm the settings. This may take some time as there are 5000 different codes on this remote control. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.